Today, we invite you on a tour of breathtaking modern concrete houses designed to merge seamlessly with the dramatic slopes of mountain landscapes. These architectural marvels highlight the beauty and resilience of concrete, taking full advantage of panoramic views and blending rugged terrain with cutting-edge design. Let's begin with the exterior. These concrete homes are built directly into the mountainside, with bold, angular lines that both echo and contrast the natural surroundings. Large glass panels are a key feature, allowing the landscape to become an integral part of each space. With terraces and outdoor spaces set at different levels, these homes take full advantage of their elevated positions, offering endless views of valleys, peaks, and sky. As we step inside, the beauty of concrete continues. In the living rooms, you'll find polished concrete floors that provide a sleek, durable surface perfect for high-traffic areas. Here, minimalist furniture choices, like low-profile leather sofas and metal accents, create a stylish contrast to the raw, rugged feel of the concrete. Large windows flood each room with natural light, while at night, recessed lighting set into the walls adds warmth and creates an intimate atmosphere. In the kitchens, concrete countertops and islands offer a sophisticated, modern look. Often paired with natural wood cabinetry, these elements combine to create a space that feels both luxurious and grounded. Pendant lights above the island provide focused illumination, while accent lighting along the perimeter highlights the sleek design lines. Moving on to the bedrooms, the simplicity of concrete provides a perfect backdrop for comfort. Here, natural wood bed frames and soft, organic textiles add warmth against the coolness of the concrete walls. Floor-to-ceiling windows continue the emphasis on natural light, bringing the tranquility of the mountains indoors. Soft lighting fixtures, like bedside pendant lamps, create a cozy ambience that invites relaxation. The bathrooms are truly spa-like, with raw concrete walls and floors softened by the addition of wood accents and stylish fixtures. Imagine soaking in a freestanding tub with a view of the mountainside, surrounded by natural elements that connect you to the outdoors. Large windows provide privacy and yet offer a sense of openness, making these bathrooms a perfect retreat. As we move outdoors, terraces and balconies offer extensions of the indoor spaces. On these concrete platforms, you'll find modern lounge chairs, wooden dining tables, and glass railings for unobstructed views. Evening lighting on these terraces transforms the atmosphere, with solar-powered lanterns and pathway lights creating a warm glow that beautifully contrasts the rugged mountainside. Throughout the interiors, we see touches of natural decor that elevate the modern aesthetic while bringing in a hint of nature. Potted plants, ceramic sculptures, and handmade textiles add subtle texture and color. Complementing the sleek concrete surfaces. This balance of raw and refined materials brings a unique warmth to these minimalist homes, proving that concrete can be both functional and welcoming. In the end, these modern concrete houses on steep mountain slopes redefine luxury living. Their unique design, sustainable materials, and stunning natural surroundings come together to create a truly immersive living experience. If you're inspired by these architectural marvels, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for more on design and architecture that harmonizes with nature. Thanks for joining us on this tour.